Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we had a pretty good rally yesterday in the grain markets. I think in the beans market was focusing on the old crop U.S. supply situation, and maybe we haven't done quite enough to satisfy the demand situation versus the supply. Over in the corn and wheat, we might have had some premium added to the marketplace because of some unrest in eastern Ukraine and the Russian border. And we also were expecting USDA to give us a lower wheat crop rating from this year's 2014 winter wheat crop numbers. And the market, I think, is also trying to hold on to its longs that it has, especially in corn because of the better demand numbers and also the early wet, cold spring. Today is report day, and they're always exciting. 11 o'clock, the USDA will give us new U.S. and world supply and demand. We know the numbers. We talked about it. The four key issues, number one is they probably lower the corn carryout, which might be supportive. In beans, they could lower the carryout, but they could also offset higher exports with lower crush, lower residual, and higher imports. They should lower the Brazil soybean crop. And as far as wheat is concerned, not a lot of big changes in the numbers. And I think the wheat market's going to be following the corn market after the 11 o'clock numbers are released. As far as U.S. weather is concerned, the 6 to 10 day actually turned drier for the western half of the Corn Belt. So if we take this weather forecast, this corn crop is going to get planted. If you talk to some Nebraska farmers, though, they'll say they'd love to have an inch or two of rain before they get into the fields to start planting because it's drying out there. The problem with the forecast is the southern plains remains dry, and so 35% of the crop was rated good to excellent last night. That's a 12-year low, and that crop needs a rain or could be supportive to the wheat. Wheat market's also worried a little bit about some dryness in Eastern Europe, the Ukraine, Australia, and a little bit too cold weather in Canada. So we'll see what the government says at 11 o'clock, and we'll be back with an update on the video then of what they said and the market reaction. It feels like the funds want to protect their long positions. USDA is going to give us some positive numbers, and the market should react positive to it after they release those numbers. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM and ADM Investor Services. You can have a safe and profitable trading day.